huyo? Sasa inakuachia nini kama ana pesa ya tile? Ni mbaya. See, people who talk for no reason.
People have expensive cars. But tiles, we can't afford tiles.
No, that's a lie. Guys, that guy has a nice tires and car. Stop talking. Eden looks slowly.
People deserve Toyota Corolla.
So today, it's Mother's Day, but I'm surprising this guy.
Yeah.
This is called Toyota.
Adrian, can you please check? Nisha kitu yangu nyuma. Kwa hiyo ni kuna uchafu hapo ndani kwa sababu lines za kwani. The car is really dirty.
Up, down.
The park plus. Probably the dustbin. The dustbin. Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. So today's video we want to vacuum the car and also want to wash our car. So we're at the petrol station right now and our car is a mess. So we're gonna show you how we do it. We normally do it, and also we're going to add some air pressure. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Yeah, go and put. You wanna vacuum the car up. I press the white button. Press it.
Okay.
Wewe nakataa by the way. Oh, umechukua the wrong one. Mtoe kiti ya Adrian, kuna uchafu kwa kiti. Too many dirty places. Itu meka €2, si 2 minutes.
That's in 2 minutes. €1, 1 minute.
50 cents. Ndio ilikuwa the less than 3 the car. Hapo kuna uchafu. Stop running here and there. This place is out of the car. Au sisi utavacuum ukifika huku. It has so many things here. He's going through all these things. I don't know why he always putting this. I bought him something where he can be putting his things. I'm gonna show you people soon. Hapa kwa kitchen, please vacuum hapa ndani hapa ndani. It was very dirty. Now it's looking better. Bado ni nyingi. Ana huku ndani huku.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. So today I'm going to surprise my girlfriend. I'm with my son here. We're going to visit Sibia, as we all know her by the name Chalala. So I'm going to her place, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. The Einkaufszentrum, Skare. It's the biggest one mall here in Bad Cannstatt. Yeah. Guys, today is on a weekend and the place is really busy, as you can see. The place is so busy. And yeah, I'm gonna show you around. Sasa nakuacha nini kama ana pesa ya tailo ni mbaya. See, people who talk for no reason.
People have expensive cars. But times, we can't afford time.
No, that's a lie. Guys, that guy has a nice tires and car. Stop talking. Eden looks slowly.
People deserve Toyota Corolla.
So it's Mother's Day, but I'm surprising this guy.
Yeah. This is called Teyo.
Guys, as you can see, people are heading to Vasen, to Frühlingsfest. They're nicely dressed and they're coming from all parts of the world just to come to this fest in Germany. So see them. See how beautiful they're dressed. Wow. Hey, where is the car shaking? Way. Yeah, party bus. Where? Yeah, party. So guys, you're coming to buy ice cream. It's too hot, you need some ice. This place has the best ice. So, which type of ice do you want?
Banana.
No. Ed bear. Tumepanda mlima. Hey, I'm tired.
Kenya.
Exercise.
Huku Kenya.
How many? So guys, I'm still decorating the balcony. I had to change the seats and put this low seat because of Adrian during summertime so that it doesn't jump up and down. I need something low like that. And then here we have our table in case we need to drink something. Usione vile imekujana mstuke. And then here we have our aloe vera plant. I tried this plant when it was very small. Now it's a big one. And then here we have our flowers. And then there I just kept over there the other things because we don't have plants up here. So yeah, and we don't need to go to cellar every time to bring anything up. So the dustbins and everything is on the other side. On the other end, the balcony is bigger, as you can see. I'm still decorating it, so I'm gonna show you the last video after everything is done. So